Hey everyone, so I'm coming to you today because I won a giveaway from Dotz Facebook page, and I just received that package today, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing of that package. I think I know what it is, but I'm not quite sure. But I just wanted to come to you today to do an unboxing of the giveaway that I won from Dotz Facebook page. So it's just the Dotz Facebook page, not Dotz US or anything. It's just the Dotz Facebook page. So if you want to go and like them and they give any more contests away, you might win. So here's the box, how it came in, kind of TNT, but it's not explosives or anything. So let's just see what we got. Kind of just bubble wrapped it in a bunch of tape. Oh, okay. Oh, yes. So excited for this one. Spinning the box all to pieces, but that's okay. Oh, wrapped it very good and taped it. Whole bunch. Got tape on my finger. So this one is, I think, one of their new ones. As you can see, I damaged the box trying to get it open, but it's not in the best shape box, but that's okay because the canvas will be great. So I think this is one of their new ones, and it's Four Seasons Sparkle, an intermediate one, and it's the different seasons of the tree. I really love this. I love Dotz. It is awesome. Their company is great. Their quality is amazing. Their drills are different from everybody else's drills. Most people I see their drills have the little dome shape. Dotz has a facet shape, okay? So I'll see if I can show you what I mean, but let's just open this up and see. So the canvas is a poured glue, and this is probably going to be a longer canvas than a, oh my gosh, y'all, this is so pretty. Even the tree, look at that. And just think what it's going to look like when you put the drills on it. So there are, sorry, it's rolled up. So I'll show you the difference in them. And there are 37 different colors. 37. So you got winter, fall, spring, and winter, fall, spring, and summer. I almost forgot a season. So again, now these are on the littler side than most of the time, but very clear, as you can see in the spring or summer, if it focuses. Very clear key code. It focused for a second. Let's see if I can get it focused again. Come on, focus. I won't move you if you focus. Well, if it focuses, you'll see it. But very clear key code. And over here, very clear key code over here. Maybe if I move it back a little bit. Key code. With Dotz on your key code, you usually have 3 different things. And you have, give me 1 second. Alright, sorry. My daughter put something in her mouth. Very clear key code. You get 3 numbers. You get the Dot number, which is a 4-digit code for Dotz themselves. Now, you can request the DMC code to theirs, because their black is for them is 8001. But I know because I have their key code that it is still a 310. Okay, so if you want to look at that. But is this not pretty? Oh, I can't wait to start this. I might have to start this and not finish the one I am working on. So, let's see what else. So, your drills. Open those up. So of course you get your package in here of your wax that comes in their little holder, the gray, they always do gray, and their single placer. And then you get your drills, okay? So 37 colors. As you can see, number 1 is open, which is unusual. But, so you actually have number 1. And I don't know if you can see it, but I don't think I can get it to clear up. But the facets on these actually, there you go, actually are facets on top. They're not dome. So like other companies, they dome at the top. These do not. But you can see 37 colors. And it does have a lot of black, so you get 2 blacks. But you get 20% extra in Diamond Dots. So if you you don't ever usually run out. That I have actually used the extra spare diamond painting dots for a thing I just finished. But so yeah, that is what I won. Sorry, it's upside down. For a contest from Diamond Dots Facebook page. Go over and like them. I'm probably going to start this soon. I'll do a kit up video. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this if you do. And go over to Facebook. So, thanks for watching.